WINDCHILLZ Cool Climate Control is a groundbreaking, energy-efficient evaporative cooling technology. This machine boasts a massive air-moving capacity while maintaining its astoundingly efficient usage of electricity. The WC-120 MAX is the workhorse of our line and is perfect for any automotive repair shop, fleet shop, body shop, detail shop, and can improve the climate significantly for its customers and employees. With its higher volume water reservoir than our other units, it will run for hours before needing refilling. The unit is easily portable with heavy-duty caster wheels and will effectively cool up to 2,000 square feet. The WC-120 MAX is rated to reduce ambient air temperature between 15 degrees and 25 degrees when run within its area size recommendations. The unit has 3 cooling speeds and features oscillating capabilities to better manage airflow direction and includes remote control. At a very low 3.5 amps or 285 watts draw, the WC-120 MAX is comparable in power usage to a desktop computer or a TV and significantly less than a window air conditioner, and plugs directly into a standard 110-volt wall outlet. The units are environmentally safe because they do not use any freon, refrigerants, or other chemicals, and the maintenance is simple. Simply wash the removable filters once a month, drain the water out of the reservoir using the convenient valve, and wipe the reservoir down. All of our units come with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and are supported in the United States of America. Defeat the heat with WINDCHILLZ.